Okay, so I did another video, but there was a lot of kids here and I think they all had to leave, so we're gonna do a new video where I can kind of show you more details. So this is the name of the park right here. It's called Zona De La Sierra, de Marginal, de Statue, de... Okay, so whole little zone right here, right next to the river. Okay, so stay tuned, I'll show you more. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna just show you this new park. It just came out not too long ago. Just a little while ago, all the kids had to leave, so maybe there's some kind of thing where they can only be there for... I thought they kicked them out for the night, but it looks like there's a whole new set, so we're just gonna walk down it real quick. Give you a little context before we do, but this is a brand new park. I'll just kind of show you. So this is Mgm Casino and some casinos down there, Wynn Casino. This is the Guanyin Statue. Those are bridge to Taipa, and that's Taipa right there. You can see some boats that kind of come through here to go into the inner harbor. So sometimes you'll see some tour boats too. That bridge goes to Taipa. That bridge goes to Taipa. Man, look at that sky. Okay, so let's just kind of take a look at some of these stuff for kids, right? So last time I have never seen anything quite as big as this one, except in Australia. Australia had a ton of these in some of their cities, and I mean, I haven't gone to every playground in the world, so I don't know. But yeah, it looks pretty cool though. Like, it looks like there's just a big labyrinth of stuff to play with. So you can climb, for your kid, you can go all the way from there through there. There's a whole other one over here. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of a kid's paradise. Yeah, they can climb all the way through those ones and that one as well. Yeah, pretty amazing actually. So I think that the bulk of them are, the biggest ones are all down there. There's some smaller ones, maybe for smaller kids. I don't know if we'll go all the way down. There's also a science center right over there, and a bridge to Taipa as well. The Sands Casino, there's some casinos over there. So people that stay, like maybe tourists that stay in the casinos, there's Sands, and there's a few of them over there. Some hotels, Fisherman's Wharf is right over there. So actually this is a nice connection between the two. Down there a little bit further I walked, and I did another video all the way down, but I didn't really focus so much on that one. I focused because there wasn't so many kids, but this one look at that lighting, amazing. So we're just going to come back down again, kind of give you a view of this park one more time. It's new, so people who haven't been to Macau in a while, they this wouldn't have been here before, but now it's oh, look at that sunset, amazing. So yep, that's Taipa, and this is Macau. Just walk down just a little bit further, and MGM Casino's right there. So if you stayed in any casino in Macau side, they're all over here. This is all reclaimed land, and this is kind of the end of it. This is kind of at the southern part, basically, of Macau. So the southern part overlooks Taipa, so you can see the airport's right over there. What else is over there? El Tira Hotel, so kind of the bulk of Taipa's right in that spot where that big thing that says El Tira, if you can see it. That light's coming out, that light is from a Cotai casino. And just come back over here because we'll just finish this real quick. Amazing. That's the other bridge to Taipa, and then those buildings way in the background, that's Zhuhai, China. That's actually a little financial center they're building to try to compete with Hong Kong. So yeah, small city, but pretty cool. Has all kinds of stuff in this little city of Macau. So it's starting to go down. There's our playground from this angle. We'll try to capture it one more time before we go. I guess I didn't film to the other side. But just walk down to this side just for briefly so you can get a feel for this side too. Yeah, before there was only these giant trees here. Then there was a big thing. It was under construction for, I got here in 2013 and it was always under construction, and then this just finally opened in 2021. So for the previous 8 years I was here, you had no view. It's just like a kind of a metal thing that just kind of stayed there. Pretty good view on this side. Okay, and this looks like the entrance, so I guess people are coming in on this side. Okay, well, we're not going to go any further than that. So there you go. Yeah, I'll try to put some old videos of what this used to look like before, so I add those at the end. So maybe you can, I'll put the dates down the bottom so you can see when it was. This is all 2021 right now, so we'll flick back and see some of those. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video.